Morning, everyone. So we were a little late getting to our computer, so we ended up missing a trade from missing the 7:30 trade, which would have been from here to here. But that's all right. We were able to get this downside movement right here, which is actually still going right now, as you can see up here. We were able to lock in some profit, and we have our runner going now. So we entered. Let's see, our entry is at 44, 54. Right here. So we entered right here, give or take. And we have our runner moving down, and we got plenty of space to move too, so it's going good. We'll go ahead and close this trade out when this starts bending up, the green line there, on our trend intensity index. Okay, keeping an eye on this post. Alright, we're good for another minute. Alright, we closed that out. So, up $45 today. on our $5,000 account. Oh, and look, it just went straight back down. Ah, darn. Those are decent sized bars, too. Decent sized candles. Oh. Hmm. Okay, we just took a long position here. So our entry is 44.73. profit. 45.72. And then of course we got our runner. Get up there. Get it. Get it. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. A little further. A little further. Oh, come on. Just a little further. Up. Oh. Get there. Up, up, up. Just a little more. There we go. Okay. So now we hit our first level. Now we got our runner. And our runner we got in at 44.88, so a little bit higher. So we moved our stop loss to break even here. So let's see if we can get some extra candy. Candy. So hopefully we can at least make it up to here, or at least get up to, or maybe even get up to our 200 moving average here. Okay, we do have some minor news coming up in 40 seconds, so hopefully that can push us up a little further. At 8:30, and then Trump speaks, and crude oil inventories So there should be some crazy movements at 9. This is all mountain time. All right, let's see what happens here with the news. Let's see what happens. I see. Okay. No, keep going up. Up, up. No, okay. All right, we got stopped out on our runner. Dang, that's actually really annoying. So don't completely break even because there's fees and blah, whatever. All right, so we're up for the day a little over 1%, 1.2%. So that's good. Here's what I would actually really like. So we're trending down right now. I like to get a good solid short trade here. We're not a losing day, no. Edit the title. Let's see how my sleep score was. Get out of here. Seriously? Who the heck would be calling me right now? Good. No. I traded it. You too. That was random. think it was some insurance company asking about a car that haven't owned in years. And just out of curiosity, I have been playing around with the idea of using a 5-minute chart over here. Oh yeah, look at that. Really reacting with that 50 moving average. And it's actually, oh, why did it do both? So about right here. Approximately. So kind of a double top action going here. So it's possible that this just keeps going back down, but I also wouldn't be surprised to see if it comes back up to retest this. Try to break through. It looks like there's some more resistance right here. There's a mess. Not really a whole lot right here. And this is starting to go down on the 5 minutes, so the uptrend here is definitely weakening according to our trend intensity index. Ah, darn it. We do the wrong chart. Okay, well, good to know that there's a moving average right here. Okay, broke through our 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart. Broke through, retesting. And we are getting a signal to sell at the end, the close of this candle here, which, based off of what we've been seeing, I think that looks pretty good actually. So I'm going to get that teed up over here on Trade Locker. I really need to do some more research on Trade Locker and see if I can just make it better. I mean, I'm not super familiar with it, so. Okay, we'd be asking to get down to about right here. I don't want to break through this 50 again. I want to stay below it. Okay. Okay. So our entry was 4407. Right there. Take profit 4308. And we actually got close to it. There we go. Keep going. Get there. Get there. Get there. Just poke it. There we go. Oh, it didn't. Seriously? All right. It didn't fill. Phil, 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 Phil. Oh my gosh. Seriously? Phil, there we go. Thank you. Let's actually change our uh, instead of making our moving our take profit to 0 ticks from our entry, let's do it 10 ticks, because then at least that might pay for the commission. Well, let's actually double check here. Let's see. $2. Yeah, it's close. Close enough. Better than losing a couple bucks. Okay, so our take profit is now, or sorry, stop loss is now 44.03. So right there. All right, well, hopefully this just keeps going down. So it could just keep going down. If we can get down to that level, that would be great. How much is that? Roughly 600, mid 650 ticks, pips. I think the tick is a pip on gold. The tick is a pip. Okay, we got stopped out there. Let's see. Geez, still lost a couple bucks on that. It's so annoying. Whatever. Okay, we're how many trades are we taking? 3 for 3 today. That should put us at just under 2%. Let's see. Yeah, a little over 1.5%. Yeah, I was really hoping we could get down here. So this is moving up here. I don't like the idea of taking a trade into our 5-minute 50 moving average. It is reacting to it. Yeah. The heck, we'll take it. Okay, let's see. $72. What's our take profit here? 35.78. Oh. Yeah, so the reason why I took that is because we were somewhat convincingly above our 50 moving average here. And our take profit is about right here. Yeah, at the top of this candle right here. So there's definitely room, like if people are just trying that as a straight level there's definitely room for that to get up there, but yeah, we're bouncing off again, so do have a bit of a flag pattern going on though. So hopefully this holds up here. And then we can break to the upside. I'm not loving this though. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely room on our 10-minute chart. I mean, if we were just looking at my 10-minute chart, there wouldn't be any hesitation here. If we're in this trade for 10 minutes, there's some more news at 8:30 that could shake things up as well. Minor news. That's our stop loss. All right, we're making our way back up. Just about at our entry. Broke through our 50 moving average again. It's never a good feeling when it feels like your entry is acting like resistance. Oh, come on, let's retest these. Retest these over here. Let's test our 50 moving average here. Let's test our 200 moving average. Let's do that. Okay, I still think my 10-minute chart is still looking good for this trade. 5-minute chart. Not so much. That's funny, dude. Yeah, we need to break through this. Here we go. Halfway there. Oh, come on. Don't bounce off. Ugly candle. Okay, you got some minor news coming up in 5 seconds. See how that goes. that can give us the boost we need. Okay. Can't get the exact. Close enough. Don't go back down. Keep going up. Oh, come on. Let's retest this. Heck, let's retest this. That's much more better. Much more better. Oh, come on. No. Come on. That's a good shadow, that candle. Good tail. Rejecty to the downside. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Let's go. Okay, so we technically closed above our 50 moving average here, just barely. So let's see if we can follow kind of the pattern where we break, retest, and then continue. Hopefully it just doesn't act like it's bouncing right off here. If this 5-minute candle closes above our 50 moving average, I think we're pretty much home free. I mean, hopefully we just hit our level well before then. This is actually moving back up above our... Okay. So this is looking good. Come on, a little further. Ah, we got it. Okay, moved my... let's see. Say stop loss 57. What? I don't understand. I want it literally at my entry. Why is this? Oh, I see. Can I do negative 15? All right, there we go. Cool. All right, and hopefully this is a pretty big break here. Hopefully we just don't bounce off of this level here. I really like to see this make its way up to the 200 moving average. Discard. Leave that there. Yesterday we lost our first trade in our... What in the world? Oh, weird. Now I have a smudge on my screen. Okay, weird. Anyway, losers. So we're doing a 1 to 4, or 4 to 1 risk reward ratio. So losers are bigger. I think, and losers end up being around 3.3% loss. The idea is that you can lose 2 in a row and then have room on your third trade to draw down during a trade before it wins. So essentially, if you lose 3, you blow up your prop firm challenge or your prop firm account. So, this is assuming that we have a drawdown of 10% that we can play with. Okay, so this is looking really good. Let's just look on our 10-minute. Okay, yeah, this kind of makes sense. What time did we actually enter that trade? It was all the way back here. Right here, I think, is when we entered it. Here we go. Big break, big break. So this is a $5,000 account. So every $50 is 1%. If you can basically average 1% every day, woo-wee. So this is exactly what we're wanting with these runners. And we will close this trade when this starts wiggling down our intensity index. I don't understand how candles like these are made. It's like this candle ended here, and then all of a sudden, the new one starts here. Like, I just think it's weird. I don't respect it. Come on. Don't lose steam on me now. Yeah, we almost got there, actually. Nothing that should be getting caught up on. Well, I mean, breaking this high right here could slow that down a little bit, I guess. Yeah, same thing on our 10. I don't think we're going to be in this trade for another 15 minutes, but if we are, we hop into some major news events. So Trump speaks and oil inventories. So Trump is a red folder event and oil is an orange folder event. So having both of those at the same time could mean craziness. In fact, if it gets to that point, it would, I think, be worth moving our stop loss up a little bit higher just to account for any slippage and craziness that happens during those. Okay, we're almost up 2% for this entire trade. I mean, really, the next level is this peak right here, or this 200 moving average. So it could just keep going. It could do anything, really. It just could do anything. This is always nice to see. Have your moving average move above your stop loss and your entry. Let's see, this is at 50, 40. Okay, so it's a little bit higher. I'd like for this to stay open at least long enough for this 10-minute candle to post. Because if it posts strong enough above this, then a lot of people are going to take that as a breakout. I mean, even just breaking out above all this mess is pretty big, but breaking out above this 50 moving average is basically two breakouts that other traders are going to be looking at. If we could at least get here. What is that? 50, say 50, 40. Don't I have a marker? Where is it? Oh gosh, that's a terrible line. Okay, getting a bit stuck. Imagine this will start bending about right here. Okay, we're in it for at least another minute. I feel like I need to actually get the chart I'm taking trades on onto the screen. How would I do that? Let's play around with this. screen. Oh yeah, there it is. So this is the screen that I'm actually, this is Trade Locker. I feel like you only really need to see we'll figure something out. Yeah, I'll probably just set it up so that it's something we can transition. Like I can transition from the screen you're looking at to the actual screen I'm using to take the trades on, which is just it's trading view essentially. Not essentially, it is trading view. All right, so I want to keep an eye as we approach 9 o'clock with the big news that's happening. Oh, never mind. I should have exited that trade. And exit. Okay, well, we ended up getting a little bit more since we were distracted. Cool. Yeah, we would ended here, but we ended up here, so. Cool. Well, that's probably going to be all the trades we're going to take. We'll keep an eye, though. So, really good day. So, 1, 2, 3, 3.5% return today. Nice. If every day could be like today, every day would be a good day. Oh, man. I do actually. No. Yeah, I want to show the total P&L. Let me see if I can set that up. That's not correct. I'll set it up later. I do not love the idea of going short when we're basically retesting our level right here. Ooh. Yeah, I no. I mean, there is room in the 5-minute, but no, this is technically pointing up as well. Here, we'll do a mock trade. Yeah, no way. Oh, no. And this trade would put us, have us with an open position during news. So we're about over 3 minutes away till that happens. Will be interesting to see what happens at 9. This probably would have been a trade I would have taken during my back testing sessions. Back at our entry. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't actually take this trade. It still might go for us, but alright, let's keep an eye on our spreads. 30 seconds till 9. I imagine some craziness could happen at 9. The spreads are still holding. What will happen? Okay, still wouldn't get filled here. Just poking our... Okay. Alright, so we would have won that trade. But yeah, something just didn't feel right about entering a long position when we're, or a short position when we're retesting a level that we just broke through. Yeah, some about that just didn't feel good. Alright, well, looks like we're definitely not having one of those events where the price just explodes in one direction. We're probably going to get stopped out right here on the runner. Maybe, who knows? Well, in any case, so we made $173 today. That is, yeah, got stopped out. So, would have made a little bit more there. I'm not too upset about not getting that. It felt better. So yeah, made 3.5% today. So really good day. We're back up to over 5,000. So just need to get that up to 5,400 for our first stage phase of our prop firm challenge. Thanks.